What if a single truck could unload itself, lift massive cargo without a crane, or even transport machinery weighing hundreds of tons with unbelievable precision? These aren't futuristic concepts. They're real inventions already transforming the trucking industry. From ingenious loading systems to engineering marvels that look almost impossible, these are innovations most people have never seen before. Starting at number 15 and working our way to the most incredible invention of them all, here are 15 truck inventions that will blow your mind. Number 15. Palfinger TMF BM 214. Most delivery trucks still need a separate forklift before they can unload heavy cargo. But the Palfinger TMF BM 214 changes that completely. This compact truck-mounted forklift travels with the truck itself, allowing drivers to unload pallets, construction materials, and heavy goods almost anywhere without waiting for extra equipment. When needed, the forklift quickly unfolds from the rear of the vehicle, goes into action, and then stores itself away when the job is done. Its all-terrain design allows it to operate in places where traditional forklifts cannot reach, making deliveries faster, easier, and more flexible. It is a simple idea with a huge impact, turning an ordinary truck into a complete transport and unloading solution. Number 14. BPW HESTAL CargoMaster. Loading and securing cargo has always been one of the biggest challenges in transportation. The BPW HESTAL CargoMaster is designed to make that process faster, safer, and more efficient. This intelligent cargo handling system combines advanced loading technology with smart safety features to help drivers manage heavy and sensitive goods with less effort. Instead of relying only on manual work, it improves the way cargo is positioned, protected, and transported. What makes the CargoMaster impressive is how it turns the back of a truck into a highly organized workspace. By reducing loading time and improving safety, it helps companies move more goods with fewer delays. It may not look as dramatic as a giant crane, but this invention solves one of trucking's biggest everyday problems: moving cargo smarter. Number 13. HIAB MULTILIFT Ultima. Changing cargo containers usually requires heavy machinery, extra workers, and valuable time. But the HIAB MULTILIFT Ultima gives trucks the ability to handle that job on their own. This advanced hook lift system uses powerful hydraulics to pick up, transport, and unload different containers quickly and efficiently. With just one truck, companies can switch between equipment for construction, waste management, recycling, and many other industries without needing separate vehicles. What makes the MULTILIFT Ultima impressive is its combination of speed, precision, and versatility. Drivers can load or exchange containers in minutes, turning one truck into a multi-purpose machine. It is a perfect example of how modern truck technology is making heavy transport faster, safer, and far more adaptable. Number 12. Cargo Floor Moving Floor System. Unloading a truck carrying tons of material is usually a slow and difficult process. But the Cargo Floor Moving Floor System solves this problem with a clever idea. Instead of tipping the entire trailer, the floor itself moves. Using a powerful hydraulic system, rows of floor slats move back and forth, gradually pushing cargo out of the trailer. This allows trucks to unload heavy materials like agricultural products, waste, and industrial goods safely on almost any surface. The biggest advantage is that the trailer does not need to be lifted, making it useful in places where tipping is impossible, such as warehouses with low ceilings. By turning the floor into an active unloading machine, Cargo Floor created one of the smartest solutions in modern transportation. Number 11. Keith Walking Floor System. What if the floor of a trailer could actually move cargo by itself? That is the idea behind the Keith Walking Floor System, one of the most unique unloading technologies in the trucking industry. Instead of using cranes, tipping trailers, or manual labor, this system uses hydraulic-powered floor slats that move in a coordinated sequence. As the floor walks, it slowly pushes the entire load out of the trailer. This invention is especially useful for transporting materials like wood chips, agricultural products, recycling materials, and bulk goods. Because the trailer remains completely level during unloading, it can operate in places where traditional dump trailers cannot. The Keith Walking Floor turns a simple trailer into an automated unloading machine, saving time, reducing effort, and making heavy transport much more efficient. Number 10. Fassi F2350 RL-HXP Techno. When it comes to lifting heavy loads, size is not always the most important factor. The Fassi F2350 RL-HXP Techno proves that a truck-mounted crane can combine incredible power with advanced technology. This massive hydraulic crane is designed to handle demanding jobs in construction, transportation, and industrial work. Its intelligent control systems help operators make precise movements while maximizing lifting performance and safety. What makes this invention impressive is how much power it packs into a relatively compact system. Instead of bringing a separate crane to every job site, a truck equipped with the Fassi F2350 RLHXP Techno can arrive ready to lift. It is a perfect example of modern engineering, giving ordinary trucks the ability to perform tasks that once required huge machines. Number 9. Palfinger PK 165.002 TEC7. Some loads are simply too heavy and complicated for ordinary equipment. That is where the Palfinger PK 165.002 TEC7 comes in. This advanced truck-mounted crane transforms a regular truck into a powerful lifting machine capable of handling massive loads with impressive precision. The crane uses Palfinger's intelligent control technology to improve stability, reach, and operator control. Its lightweight but strong construction allows it to lift heavy equipment while still keeping the truck practical for road transportation. What makes this invention remarkable is the combination of strength and flexibility. It can reach over obstacles, position cargo accurately, and perform jobs that would normally require a much larger mobile crane. With technology like this, a truck is no longer just a vehicle for carrying cargo. It becomes a complete heavy lifting solution. Number 8. EFFER IQ 1400 HP. Moving extremely heavy loads often requires machines that are both powerful and precise. The EFFER IQ 1400 HP is a truck-mounted crane designed to handle some of the toughest lifting challenges in the world. This giant folding crane combines enormous lifting capacity with advanced electronic control systems that help operators make accurate movements, even with heavy loads. Its articulated design allows it to fold into a compact shape during transport, then extend outward when serious lifting power is needed. From industrial equipment to large construction materials, the EFFER IQ 1400 HP gives trucks the ability to perform jobs that once required separate crane vehicles. What makes this invention stand out is its incredible balance of strength, reach, and mobility, turning a single truck into a highly capable mobile lifting platform. Number 7. Goldhofer ARCUS PK. Transporting massive industrial equipment requires more than just a powerful truck. It requires a trailer system that can handle extreme weight while still moving safely through challenging routes. The Goldhofer ARCUS PK was designed for exactly that purpose. This innovative transport solution uses advanced engineering to move oversized cargo, such as construction equipment, aircraft components, and other heavy loads. Its intelligent design improves maneuverability, stability, and efficiency, allowing operators to transport enormous objects that would be impossible with standard trailers. The real genius of the ARCUS PK is how it combines heavy-duty strength with precise control. Instead of needing complicated transport setups, companies can move gigantic loads with greater confidence. It is one of those inventions that proves modern trucking is not just about carrying cargo. It is about finding smarter ways to move the impossible. Number 6. Panther. Hauling oversized machinery across public roads is no easy task, but the Panther makes it look surprisingly effortless. This heavy-duty low-loader trailer is built to transport massive construction equipment, industrial machinery, and other oversized cargo that ordinary trailers simply can't handle. Its low-loading deck keeps the cargo's center of gravity close to the ground, improving stability throughout the journey. Combined with advanced steering technology and a modular design, the Panther can navigate tight corners and challenging routes that would stop many heavy-haul trailers. What makes this invention truly impressive is its ability to carry enormous loads while remaining flexible enough for real-world roads. It's a brilliant example of engineering that allows the world's biggest machines to travel safely from one job site to another. Number 5. Broshuis SL2. Transporting extra-tall or exceptionally heavy equipment is one of the biggest challenges in road freight. The Broshuis SL2 was engineered to make that job much easier. This innovative low-bed trailer features a hydraulically adjustable suspension system that allows operators to lower or raise the trailer depending on the cargo and road conditions. Its advanced steering technology also helps the trailer navigate tight corners with surprising precision, even while carrying enormous construction machines or industrial equipment. The result is a safer, more stable journey for loads that would normally be difficult to transport. By combining flexibility, stability, and heavy-duty performance, the Broshuis SL2 has become a trusted solution for moving some of the largest and most valuable cargo on the road. Number 4. Hammar 195 Sideloader. Loading and unloading a shipping container usually requires a large crane or reach stacker, but the Hammar 195 Sideloader eliminates that need entirely. Mounted directly onto a trailer, this ingenious system uses powerful hydraulic cranes to lift a container off the ground, place it onto the trailer, and unload it again, all without any external equipment. This gives drivers the freedom to pick up and deliver containers almost anywhere, from remote construction sites to warehouses with limited infrastructure. The system also reduces waiting time, lowers operating costs, and makes container transport far more flexible. By putting a powerful lifting system directly on the trailer, the Hammar 195 Sideloader transforms a standard truck into a fully independent container handling machine. Number 3. Nooteboom Mega Windmill Trailer XL. Transporting a wind turbine blade that stretches over 80 meters sounds almost impossible, especially through narrow roads and tight village corners. That's exactly what the Nooteboom Mega Windmill Trailer XL was built to do. Unlike conventional trailers, this ingenious system can raise, lower, and rotate the blade while it's being transported. This allows operators to carefully maneuver around bridges, traffic signs, and sharp bends that would otherwise block the route. The trailer's advanced hydraulic technology gives transport crews incredible control over one of the longest and most awkward cargoes ever moved on public roads. Without innovations like this, building modern wind farms in difficult locations would be far more challenging. It's a remarkable piece of engineering that makes the impossible journey look almost effortless. Number 2. Scheuerle InterCombi. Some cargo is simply too big for any ordinary trailer. That's where the Scheuerle InterCombi comes in. Instead of being built as a single fixed trailer, this modular transport system can be configured with multiple axle lines to carry enormous loads. From power plant generators and bridge sections to gigantic industrial equipment weighing hundreds of tons. Each axle is designed to distribute the weight evenly while steering with remarkable precision. This allows the transporter to navigate surprisingly tight turns, despite carrying cargo that seems impossible to move by road. What makes the InterCombi truly extraordinary is its flexibility. Operators can add or remove modules depending on the size and weight of the load, creating a custom transport solution for almost any heavy-haul challenge. It's an engineering masterpiece that has redefined what's possible in road transportation. Number 1. Goldhofer PST SLE Split Self-Propelled Modular Transporter. Taking the top spot is a machine that barely looks like a truck at all, yet it has revolutionized heavy transport. The Goldhofer PST SLE Split Self-Propelled Modular Transporter, or SPMT, is a self-propelled platform designed to move some of the heaviest objects ever transported on land. Unlike conventional trucks, each module is powered and electronically controlled, with dozens of wheels that can rotate independently. Multiple units can even be connected together to carry colossal loads, such as offshore platforms, bridge sections, ship components, and massive industrial equipment weighing thousands of tons. Despite their size, these transporters can move with astonishing precision, even sideways or in a complete circle. It's the ultimate demonstration of modern engineering, proving that when it comes to moving the impossible, nothing comes close to the Goldhofer SPMT. Those were 15 incredible truck inventions, proving that modern engineering keeps pushing the limits of what's possible. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next look at the world's most incredible machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.